Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coins Alert, your place to get your crypto fix. The name of my show is Triple Van Winkle. I hope everyone is having a great day. Today is Thursday. It is baseball. Thursday, to be honest, I have a 7-3-0 game that only has one title. We only had one game left, which was the beating if I want to go 7-3-0. After that, we had the playoffs. I think I'll go and we'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. What do you think of that movie look? We talk again. And my XRP price forecasts change. I've always been very cautious when I talk about 3 to 650. Have my numbers gone up? Where do I think we'll go? A lot of information is being linked here. XRP is what we'll talk about. What I think will happen, my conservative guess, my final bullish blow off top. Let's talk about Bitcoin and where it's going, folks. We were given a number. That's a sure thing for Bitcoin. We'll leave it at that. Let's watch this video and see what happens. Let it go, okay? I don't use pre-written lines. All I use is a microphone to talk to the crowd, which is made up of crypto fans. That's what we're doing here. Now that we've said that, let's take a break and start a Bitcoin. It's down right now, 70,949. Dollars up 85% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is now worth $3,828. It's lost about 1% in the last 24 hours. Each of the USDT and USDC is now below the dollar. This is because USDC was at $1 this morning. After going up, it has gone back down as money has moved in and out of the cryptocurrency markets. XRP, which is about 52 cents. That's right. AT.68%, it's in the red. In the red, which is exactly where we don't want to see it. But what are you going to do? XRP. That's what it does to us, folks. That's what it does to us now. Well, the total market value of all cryptocurrencies is $2.16 trillion. Where do we go from here? I really think we'll see a quick drop too. The downside, like between $65,000 and $672,000, and then Bitcoin will start its run up to $74,000. I'm sure that's what's going to happen. XRP, I've already said it 100 times. I'm going to say it again. I think XRP has hit bottom. I believe that 48, I think we may have wick to about 45 or 43. Those wicks weren't really taken, but that was the bottom, right? Does it kind of go back a little here? If you buy XRP at 52 cents, 50 cents, or 48 cents, are you going to kick yourself in the butt? Yes, but not if you look at where the price of XRP will be in 20202542, 52, 62, and 72 in the big picture. None of this will matter now, okay? Get a tumbler right now if you haven't been to the merchandise shop yet. We need to get more of these tumblers. Okay, we had 200 of these on hand. They're going really fast. I want to show you something cool that's been up for about a week. I brought in all of the reviews when the merch shop opened, which used to be opened, and the store is truly amazing. I see that only 10 black ones are left, but we do have the 40-ounce cups that look like Stanley cups. Yes, those are on the way, but with XRP on them. We now have Bitcoin. We got all of them, but read this report. First, tell me that, my man Joseph right now. If you bought a cup, thanks. I don't know who Joseph is. Is this a word play, getting it quickly? Is he aiming at Swift? I believe he is really great Ripple Van Winkle. That's me. He always gets it right. You damn it. I do, folks. Having these cups in the summer is killing it. It comes with the pretty lid. This is carved. It won't come off, and here's a picture of my poor child. Please take a close look at the cast. It has dinosaurs on it. The vet had to see us today, and he was really good, which was a surprise. I know they took off his cast. Right now, he doesn't have anything on it. You can see all of the screws. His little cone was put on his head to make sure he wouldn't lick it. He's still on a lot of medicine. He's on drugs. He had ACL surgery, which is CCL operation. He had the first one 2 years ago. This is his second one. For those who have been following me, it was a nightmare. What's on the other leg? I hope my man is better now. Like, he doesn't want to go to the toilet because he wants to go for a walk. I've never seen someone hold a poop for so long. He wants me to take him to his favorite place, but he can't walk yet. I'm going to put him in the car when it gets cooler and drive him to his favorite spot at the pool at the clubhouse where I live in the condos. Hopefully he can destroy some grass there. The dusty coin says, hey, you're already rich, you have money. Don't forget that he's right. We're all already rich. Before Bitcoin, we were rich. People who are in crypto right now are going to make a shit ton of money. Sorry for my bad English. Or is it pardon my French? Please forgive my French. People, we haven't seen anything yet. I took a picture of the Bitcoin markets on June 1st. I'll show you that in 3, 6, and 12 months. You won't be able to tell where these markets are going. That's how much cash is coming into this area. It's going to get crazy. I hope you're ready for something completely crazy. Then we have this Gary Gensler before we talk about what we think the XRP price will be. Let's listen to this little jerk try to save face. Let's go. Sure, Polkadot, Cordana, Cosmos, Immutable, Ronin, Bonk, Osmosis, and SushiSwap are all up now. Alice, my neighbor, and I have traded millions. This very morning, I'm talking about a lot of money. Should we have a SushiSwap now? What about an ETF? Or the kind of just say that is secret. You'd think Bonk would be good at this, and Moses, these are trading millions of dollars. Garrett, these are trading millions of dollars. Shouldn't we have something to sell? I'd like to say something more general about the crypto markets. There is no need to judge anyone right now. Some tokens, like the ones Jim listed, have not given you the information you need to make an investment choice. They also have not given you the information that is required by law. In our stock market, this is a basic idea. Tomorrow is our CC's 90th birthday. It's SEC's 90th birthday today. And President Roosevelt set up this committee to make sure that you, the investors in the crypto markets, they aren't telling you that either. Also, that exchanges like this one, the New York Stock Exchange, are properly controlled to keep you safe from fraud and manipulation, and that they don't trade against you. And Jim, these cryptocurrency platforms do things that we would never let the New York Stock Exchange do. You can't trade against your customers because of the rules. Many of the most important people in this field are either in jail, about to go to jail, or ready to be extradited. You've seen the bankruptcies in this space. Okay, that's not the best position for them, but I'm looking at but it's not the best situation for investors. Right now, you're putting money into a field without getting all the information you need. I agree. I know that there are safety nets for people. That is, their names. And there's nothing. Oh no, Kramer coin. Is Kramer in trouble now, everyone? He wants to look like the good guy, right? He wants you to pay attention to these conversations. Their trade is pretty much against you, right? Everything that can help them is coming in. The price is going down. They're taking away your advantages. They see shorts. They raise the price to get you to leave, then lower it again. He wants to look like the good guy here. That's interesting, right? Lots of times we talked about the DCCC. You talk a lot about Ripple. You must not forget about Chainlink. Chainlink is going to be a beast. Chainlink would have made me a lot of money. I only did right. I did some study, but I never got involved. I was a big maxi back in 2017. I saw a Chainlink for about 20 cents, and now it's 18 bucks. It will cost around $120 zero. I would have. I don't want to talk about it because the food I just ate will make me sick. The mind of Wall Street. Where are all of you? Where do you think we are? What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts? Isn't this all just doubt? That's funny. That's the XRP chart. But if you forget these names, we're probably still close by. We're going to raise our top. It hasn't come yet, and Agrad Crypto is showing you his map. He said that the candle from last month had a 75% inverted hammer shape, which is a very bullish sign. What will happen? We talked over this figure that Keith gave us over and over again to see what will happen if you don't file. Keith, make sure you follow Keith. On the other hand, this is a very simple case. We are still a good time to buy. The next big move up in XRP will happen in the next few days. It will be our next bullish move. It's clear that 75 cents is what we want. But Bitcoin, to me, $180,000, that's the key. It's going to happen. The price of Bitcoin might go up. $250,000 could be made on Bitcoin. That means that anything above that will be good for the markets. That could put us between 7 and 10 trillion, with 12 trillion being a possible blow up high. If we see anywhere between $7 and 10 trillion, XRP is likely to take a big share of the market, right? That would be great if it turned out to be true. And now we see banks like the ones we talked about this morning when Japan went live, or the 80% of banks in Japan that are connected to Ripple. More and more of the big credit card companies are getting involved.